Hello. Who are you talking from the phone? Hello. Say hello, Papa.
Papa.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say bye-bye.
Ba.
Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye.
Papa.
Blow them kisses.
Ba.
Damn. Well, hello there. Who is this girl? Wait, somebody tell me who is this girl, honey. Babe, see, I'm looking like a naughty school teacher this morning. So I'll ask the title for the moment because I'm really kind of looking naughty-ish. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's early in the morning and I'm heading to work with Babe today. See, I look all work-like and I'm ready. No, I'm not going to work. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to work today with Babe at all. But we have a little business to take care of before he head to work. So I'm up early. Tyler is up early. Baby's up a little bit later than usual. But yeah.
Hi guys. Feel better today. I got 1 hour extra sleep.
And now he's
My legs feels tired.
from working out?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Well, I don't see we workout clothes today.
No, the day before. Sometimes they say
but
that
I don't see you with clothes today.
No, tomorrow.
Okay. Alright, you guys, so we're heading on the road to get some stuff done, and then I think I'm going to head back home. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. You guys, look what is on my barbecue! And the chicken is well on its way. Oh, I can't wait to just dig into all of this right now. High fives. Blow them kisses. Hey, you're back to your old self, huh? Give a high five to the fans. Yeah, but if you do that, they won't see you. Hey, if you do that, they won't see you, babe. No, stop. Stop. You see? You see your nose? Your nose wants clean. Alright, no more. No more. Stop. You guys. Today is one of those days where today's one of those days where I honestly don't feel like doing a thing. I got back home off the road, and I think it's because I was disappointed from my appointment in terms of we went today to get some stuff done, and the place that we went to is closed on a Thursday. Can you imagine? So we just went for no reason and come back home. Today is one of my days where I don't feel like doing anything. I've been just basically chilling inside, and I think I'm going to going for a run later. When I'm feeling like this, a run always get me out of that kind of mood, and I don't feel like running inside because it's hot. So I think I'm going to run as soon as babe gets home from work. It's not such a beautiful day out today because it's been a little bit cloudy for the most part. The sun is peeking out, but it's not as bright as it usually be, and over the city is a little bit cloudy and foggy. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, it looks a little bit foggy, and that's how it's been looking all day today. It's been a little bit foggy like that. And this big guy is here playing. What are you guys up to today? Comment down below and let me know what you guys are doing today. If you're at work, if you're at school, if you're at home. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today, and I'm sure baby's gonna be crazy about this one. The Jamaican expression for today is, I know one day a monkey want a wife. Simple means you're to be mindful of the things you do and say today because it can affect you in the future. That's exactly what it means. You get it? Make sure you get it. I know one day a monkey want a wife. My grandmother used to use this one a lot. So when babe gets home later, he'll put his spin on the Jamaican expression. I'm excited to see his face when he's doing this one. Alright, you guys, I'm going to finish up cooking, spend some time with this bad boy, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. What? You want to vlog? What are you saying? You're showing them? No! Don't. You can't eat the faves.
No.
You can't eat the faves. You can't eat the faves, baby. You're showing them in your brain. Look at your drooly mouth. Look at your drooly. Ah, it's falling. It followed you. What do you want to tell the faves? Yeah, that's what you want to tell them? Yes. Say your ABC for the faves. Say A B C D E. Good job. 1 2 3 4 5. So you guys, this is dinner for tonight. Barbecue chicken and veggies, just broccoli and carrot. And Tyler is having mashed potatoes. So that's dinner for tonight, and I'm sure babe and I are gonna have a piece more chicken each. I'm going to try and resist, but let's see. It just looks too good. So dinner is ready and everybody's happy. And Tyler is begging as usual. Tyler's begging as usual. You guys, look who is home. Tyler, they won't see me if you do that.
Viens là.
Stop.
Tyler, viens ici, s'il te plaît.
No.
Tyler.
Good boy.
Ici.
Enough. Sit. Blow them kisses. More kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Say smoochie. All right. Sit. Oh. Yes, baby.
Mama?
Yes, Stella.
Mama?
Yes, Stella. Sit.
Mama?
Sit. You have to sit.
Papa?
Oui. Assis.
Sit.
Assis. Tyler, assis, s'il te plaît.
This baby, he's so smart. He's honestly the loving kid at times. I don't know where he get the concept of kissing. I guess maybe because he sees babe and I do it so often. Tyler, no, you can't sit in my stomach. You can't do that. Come, sit here.
Ici.
But he make me and babe kiss all the time, and then he wants his kisses. And you better do it, or else he's not pulling our head. He's not stopping to pull our heads together until we kiss. Then he stop. You guys, the baby's home.
Yes, I am tired, fatigué, my head everything, but I'm home and I'm gonna enjoy the evening.
This baby, he's so smart. He's honestly the loving kid at times. I don't know where he get the concept of kissing. I guess maybe because he sees babe and I do it so often. Tyler, no, you can't sit in my stomach. You can't do that. Come, sit here.
Ici.
But he make me and babe kiss all the time, and then he wants his kisses. And you better do it, or else he's not pulling our head. He's not stopping to pull our heads together until we kiss. Then he stop. You guys, the baby's home.
Yes, I am tired, fatigué, my head everything, but I'm home and I'm gonna enjoy the evening. Yes, I'm here enjoying my evening. Just had dinner, was a very good dinner. First barbecue of the year. But, the way we want it. So Tyler.
My neck.
Okay. Satisfied? Satisfied? Satisfied?
Stop.
Yeah, everything didn't get the way I wanted, but that's how it is always. So yeah, I'm here. Hope I hope all of you having a good day too. I hope you all guys are enjoying today, the first day of June. So
I know every day a monkey want a wife.
I know everyday monkey want a wife.
Yes, honey. No. Baby's getting these Jamaican expressions too easy. Too easy. Say it again, honey.
I know everyday monkey want a wife.
Yes, baby. Yes, you know what that means.
It's not every day that the monkey wants a wife.
Technically, yes. But,
Yeah, I know.
But it's simple saying that. It's simple saying that. Be careful what you do today because it might affect your future.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I know every day a monkey want a wife. So, there you guys have the Jamaican expression today. And the French expression for today is...
Tyler, assis. Assis. Yeah, assis. Tyler, assis. Because I said it often today, and I want you guys to understand what it means. So it means Tyler, sit. Say it, baby.
Assis.
Assis, right? So assis is sit, and debout is stand.
Debout.
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 Right, so debout is stand. So that's something that I say a lot to Tyler. So next time now you can understand what I say to him when I say assis, Tyler. Tyler, assis, s'il te plaît. He doesn't walk every day. Assis. This time he walk.
Alright, you guys, so there you guys have the babe's take on the Jamaican expression and my take on the French expression. It's actually Tyler's bedtime, and I'm just going to end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Don't forget to
subscribe.
Yes, honey. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, who are you talking from the phone? Hello. Say hello, Papa.
Papa.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say bye-bye.
Ba.
Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye.
Papa.
Blow them kisses.
Ba.
Hey.